Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this slay hair combo in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to the hairstyle selection and then I'm going to go to the feminine category and then we're going to choose this here from the petal update, and then for the color I'm just going to make it this color, and then we're going to remove the bangs, so we can choose no bangs. Okay, and the next one I'm going to go to the bangs and I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to make it the same color, and then I'm going to go to the masculine category and I'm going to choose this here. Okay, and I'm going to color it the same. And for the last one, I'm going to go back to the feminine category and then I'm going to choose this one and color it the same for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to do little adjustment. For the position, you can make the Y position 0.55, and then for the Z position, I'm going to make it 0.68. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the rotate, make it 53. Okay, and then for the scale, you're going to make it 0.60. Okay, and now it's done. Finally, this is for the result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.